Right, to set the camera up to record when it sees motion, first open up the app, make sure you're connected to the camera, and go to the settings cog, and then go to the alert settings. So from here, if you turn on motion detection, that will start the recording whenever it sees motion. Below that you can set the sensitivity. This is how much motion it has to detect before it starts recording. I'd leave it in normal to start with, and if it's not sensitive enough then you can go higher. If it's too sensitive you can go lower. And then you got the time. Oops. Let me go back. You got the times. So this is the times of the day that would detect motion. This one's set from 12 at night. Well, 12 at night to 12 at night, so all day basically. But you could change that so it was just working during office hours. It's set to repeat every day, but again you could change that so, for example, it's just Monday to Friday. Go back, and then the siren. So what that means is whether or not you want an actual alert. So if you leave it like this, it will record when it sees motion, but it won't give you an alert on the phone. If you press the siren, then if it sees motion it will record and let you know. Press save, and on top of that you'll also need to go for notifications underneath. So if you have set it to siren, you then need to tell it which notification you want. You've got push notifications, you have text, and you can have an animated image as well. That's apparently you need the cloud service for this. Or you could have an actual siren as well. So with this one, if you've got the app open and it sees motion, full screen siren will go off on the front of the page. So press save, and then what's going to happen from then onwards, if you go back, if you go to SD card, what we've got here is the blue bar behind is the constant recording. So I've actually got this camera to record continuously, but also record when it sees motion. Now if you just want to see the motion alerts, what you do is click on that little, there's 3 lines, the hamburger menu. Click on that, and what it will do is split it down so the motion alerts. So if I click on one, you'll see it gives you the time, the time the motion is captured, how long it runs for. So that one's 51 seconds of recording. That one's 30. Yeah. So these are just the motion alerts. What you can do is you can also have sound on as well. So when you're playing it back, you can hear what's being said. You can download it. And if you wanted to view the download, so what will happen is obviously this will keep recording when it receives motion, but eventually the card will fill up and it will start deleting that footage. So if you wanted to keep it and you download it, that will be kept actually on your phone itself, and you can access that through the app as well. So if we go back one, we go to album at the bottom there, and it's videos downloaded from the camera, that bottom one there. If you click on that, so anything you downloaded off the motion alerts will be kept there, and you can either share the video or delete it from there.